Have you ever thought that your youth can become an expert in the field of IT? Hello, my name is Sir Awais. I teach computer courses at Scholars. Today, I am addressing the parents. Don't you want your child to learn something productive and technical? Don't you want your child to acquire some skills in the IT field to improve their career development? With this in mind, Scholars have created a junior program. In this junior program we will teach your child how to use computer in various fields like office field, graphics field and developer field, etc. We have short courses in this junior program. Basic computer knowledge, Microsoft Office, basic HTML and CSS, basic graphics designing, Canva and online editing, Excel, automation, uses of AI, artificial intelligence, and more. So enroll your child in Scholars Junior Program, and give their career a boost. For more detail visits us at PECHS Campus, near Noorani Kabab House, Garden Campus, at RosePatel Grammar School opposite to Mr. Shezi Restaurant, PIE Campus, at CSS Grammar School near Khatri Masjid.